You guys see me there? Alright guys, what's happening? Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on and say thank you very much. So due to all the mail that I've been getting over the past months, I've been working towards having a strictly mail-in only business and losing the retail storefront. And yeah, thanks to you guys. Looks like I finally did that. And we're in the end of January right now, 2018. But come the end of February, which is just 5 weeks away here, we're not gonna have Stellar Cellular Retail anymore, which is pretty awesome. Gonna have the ability to get up and go to the fridge when I want. I'm gonna be working from home. I'm not gonna be renting an office or anything. I just bought a nice big house, 2,700 square feet, in still southern Ontario, but 2 hours north of Toronto. Gonna be based out of there, and just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for keep sending me your stuff, and I'm gonna keep on fixing it. And actually our turnaround times are gonna get even faster because we don't have to deal with all of the retail traffic anymore. So our focus now is just strictly on motherboard repairs and data recovery and all that, all that stuff, all the micro soldering work, MacBooks and you name it, the Samsungs especially, right? The LGs, of course all the iPhones, of course the iPhones. See, 90% iPhone. Yeah, I guess really that's just about it. So upload this video here for you guys, and just wanted to say thank you, and gonna be able to do some more interesting things that we're not here stuck in the retail environment all the time. So stay tuned, and thanks a lot.